Welcome to the world of online business. Whether you're looking to start a blog, create an e-commerce store, launch a YouTube channel, or dive into affiliate marketing, choosing the right niche is critical to your success. But how do you find the perfect niche? One that's profitable, sustainable, and a great fit for you as a beginner. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about uncovering the most profitable niche for beginners and how you can turn your passion into profit. Hey everyone! If you're watching this, you're probably interested in starting an online business, but you're stuck on one of the biggest challenges, finding the right niche. You're not alone. This is where many people get overwhelmed, but by the end of this video, you'll have the clarity and confidence to pick a profitable niche that works for you. We're going to cover what makes a niche profitable, how to align your passion and market demand, real-world examples of successful beginner niches, tools and strategies to uncover hidden gems. Let's get started. First things first, what makes a niche profitable? To truly understand this, you need to look at three key factors. Market size. Is there a large enough audience for this niche? You want to ensure that there's demand for the products or services within your chosen niche. Customer demand. Are people actively looking for solutions within this niche? The more people are searching for and purchasing solutions, the better your chances of success. Competition. A profitable niche often has competitors. But here's the catch. You don't want too much competition. The sweet spot is finding a niche with enough demand, but not so saturated that you can't stand out. For example, health and wellness is a massive niche. But within that niche, there are sub-niches like vegan nutrition or yoga for seniors. Those are more specific, targeted, and still have plenty of potential customers, but they're not as overwhelmingly competitive as general fitness or weight loss. Now, you might be wondering, how do I find a niche that not only has profit potential, but also matches my interests and skills? Here's where passion comes in. The most successful entrepreneurs aren't just chasing profits. They're working on something they care about. Aligning your passion with market demand is the key to long-term success. Think of this as a Venn diagram. At the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, and what the market needs is your perfect niche. For example, let's say you're passionate about personal finance and have experience budgeting or paying off debt. That's a niche with both high demand and a lot of potential. People are constantly searching for advice on saving money, reducing debt, and investing. You could create content or products helping others with these specific financial problems. To give you a head start, let's explore 5 of the most profitable niches for beginners. These are niches with a proven track record of success, but they also offer plenty of room for newcomers to carve out their space. Number 1, health and wellness. The health and wellness niche is booming. With sub-niches like nutrition coaching, mental health, or even home workouts, there's so much you can do here. People are willing to spend money on fitness programs, wellness products, supplements, and more. As a beginner, you could focus on a specific demographic, like new moms, seniors, or even busy professionals, to find your unique angle. Number 2, personal finance and investing. Personal finance is another highly profitable niche. Whether it's helping people save money, pay off debt, or invest for their future, the opportunities are vast. Sub-niches like cryptocurrency, frugal living, or investing for beginners are extremely popular right now. People will pay for courses, coaching, and guides that simplify complex financial topics. Number 3, online education and e-learning. The e-learning industry has exploded, and there's never been a better time to start an online course or educational platform. You can teach anything from graphic design to guitar lessons. If you have a skill, there's likely an audience willing to pay to learn from you. Even if you don't feel like an expert yet, you can start by sharing what you're learning as a beginner, creating relatable content for others just starting out. Number 4, sustainable living and eco-friendly products. Sustainability is more than just a trend, it's a growing movement. People are looking for ways to live greener, reduce waste, and shop ethically. This niche includes everything from selling eco-friendly products to blogging about sustainable living tips. With growing environmental awareness, you can tap into a passionate and engaged audience. And finally, number 5, Pets and pet care. People love their pets and are willing to spend big bucks on them. The pet care industry is massive, and within it there are tons of sub-niches, like dog training, pet grooming, or homemade pet treats. Whether it's creating a blog, YouTube channel, or an e-commerce store, this niche offers high engagement and loyal customers. Now that you have some ideas, let's talk about how to validate your niche. Before you commit, you want to make sure there's enough demand to make your business profitable. Here are some tools and strategies you can use to uncover the perfect niche. 1. Google Trends. Google Trends is a great starting point. It helps you see how interest in certain topics is rising or falling over time. You can compare niche ideas and identify trending topics to stay ahead of the curve. 2. Amazon and eBay research. Amazon and eBay are goldmines for niche research. By browsing bestseller lists, you can spot which products are flying off the shelves and identify potential gaps in the market. Look for areas where customers are seeking solutions that aren't widely available yet. And 3. Keyword research tools. Use keyword research tools like Ubersuggest or Ahrefs to find out what people are searching for. These tools show search volume and competition for specific keywords, helping you gauge the demand in your niche. Look for keywords with decent search volume, but relatively low competition. That's where the opportunities lie. Choosing the wrong niche can be a costly mistake. Here are 3 common pitfalls to avoid. Going too broad. Niches that are too broad, like fitness or travel, are extremely competitive. Instead, drill down into a sub-niche. For example, instead of fitness, go for fitness for busy moms or home workouts for beginners. Chasing trends. While it's tempting to jump on trending niches, they can be short-lived. Instead, look for evergreen niches with long-term potential. Ignoring your passion. Don't pick a niche just because it's profitable. If you're not passionate about it, you'll struggle to stay motivated, especially during tough times. Choose something that excites you and has demand. All right, you've got your niche. Now what? Here's how to get started today. Start researching. Dive deep into your chosen niche. Follow influencers, read blogs, watch videos, and join communities. Create a plan. Whether it's launching a blog, building an online store, or creating a YouTube channel, map out your strategy. Decide how you'll monetize, through ads, affiliate marketing, selling products, or offering services. Take action. The most important step is just to start. Even if it's not perfect, begin creating content, building your website, or testing products. Remember, every successful online business started with one simple idea. By finding a profitable niche that aligns with your passion and demand, you're setting yourself up for success. The road ahead may not be easy, but with the right niche, persistence, and action, you can build a thriving business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more actionable tips and strategies to grow your online business. Drop a comment below with your niche ideas. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next video.